Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So this is a quick video on a hairstyle that I've done on old hair that needs washing, but I'm trying to stretch out a few more days until wash day. The previous day, what I did was detangle an old wash and go and re-moisturize it, and I braided it up into these 4 doo-doo plaits. So now the following day, I'm just taking down the braids ready to style. And this is what my hair looks like when it's all taken down, nice and detangled and nice and moisturized again, ready for styling. So for the style, what you're going to need to do is split your hair down the middle. So split your hair in half and tie one half away whilst you're working on the other side. Then what I like to do is section off a small bit at the back of my hair and put that into a ponytail. This is just to make the hairstyle a bit more secure and to make sure that it stays in place. You don't have to do this, but if you have thick hair like me, then I would advise that you do this part. Now to work on the front of the section, what I'm going to do first is just smooth down the section using the Camille Rose Curl Maker Gel. And I just put 1 pump of that and put it down the parting and down on my edges, and then just smooth the gel in with a brush. Okay, so what we're doing here is not a flat twist, it's basically just a roll, which is a nice little alternative if you are unable to flat twist, because this is super easy. Everybody should be able to do this. You literally just have to pinch and roll your hair back. I tried to keep the roll as close to my hairline as possible because that's just how I prefer how it looks when this is close to the hairline. And I scoop hair up and just continue to roll. When I'm pulling on the ends, I'm just making sure that all my hair is laying as flat as possible. And I keep rolling until I get to the back of that section. And then what I'm going to do is grab another hairband and attach the roll to the ponytail that I did a little bit earlier. Then once all that is secured into a ponytail, I'm going to go ahead and twist that ponytail all the way down to the ends. And I did secure the twist with a smaller hairband. And do that on both sides. Now onto the fun bit. I love doing this bit. So basically what you're going to be doing is crossing over the right hand ponytail on top of the left hand ponytail, and then bobby pinning that in place, and then doing that exact same thing on the other side. So grabbing the ponytail on the left, looping it up and over the right hand side and securing it in place with a bobby pin. And it creates this cute little twisted updo look. Then to finish off the style, I used a little bit more of the curl maker just to style my baby hairs and slit them down. The brush is from Primark. And then I tied my hair down with a satin scarf just for my edges to set a little bit. And then this is the final look. Part of me thinks this is a bit of a granny hairstyle. Part of me thinks it's cute. Granny chic, is that what we're going for? Either way, I love it. Let me know what you think in the comments. If you like my videos and you watch them all the way to the end, please make sure that you are subscribed and you like the video. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in my next one. Bye.